Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fulton Local and Long Distance, Movers Near Me. Packing your old life to move into an entirely new city can be a little intimidating. In midst of other priorities, managing time to pack and organize your stuff shouldn't be stressing you out. Let our movers at 3 Men and a Truck worry about moving your belongings while you take care of more pressing matters. We'll manage every aspect of your moving, from providing packing materials and packing your stuff to shipping your possessions safe and sound to your new space. No matter how many miles you're moving away, we ensure timely and damage-free delivery of your goods. Even nearby, relocating to a new home or office can still be very challenging. You do have to pack dozens of boxes and move everything along with your heavy furniture and equipment to your new space while managing everyday tasks. All you need to make your relocating easy and stress-free is the help of a professional moving company. 3 Men and a Truck pride itself in serving local community. From packing your stuff, loading everything along with furniture equipment, to unpacking your stuff and reassembling your furniture, we can handle everything. In just one day, you'll be set to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fulton Moving business offers extra services, from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.